Hey, welcome to another show. Today I got a special product from Victools. It's a 2-in-1 can opener. Stay tuned. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the 2-in-1 can opener. And this one is for jars. And here is the stainless steel can opener. Has a nice feel to it. Really smooth. Got your bottle opener right there. I like that they have this for hanging. So I'm going to demonstrate on how easy it is to use this can opener here. Alright, simply just squeeze the handle. And very smooth, it opens that can up. Doing a great job in cutting. There you go. So this was very easy to use. It's nice and light. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cream corn over to the side there. Going to have that for dinner tonight. So let's take a look at the other product that they'll send you. They will send you a jar opener. This is a very nice handle. And we eat a lot of canned beets, and the jar lids are always difficult to open. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and show you. Put this on the jar lid just like this. Turn. How easy was that? I'm loving this 2-in-1 can opener and jar opener from Victools. I will leave a link down in the description below where you can find this on Amazon. The company has some great customer support. I think you're going to be happy with this product. It looks sharp. It's very nice in the hands. Light. Looks great hanging up in the kitchen. What more can you ask for? Hey, check out my other videos on here, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.